Why, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been following my videos for a while, you probably know that sometimes I go off into what could be interpreted as rambling. And it's not always easy. That's one thing, you as a viewer could consider at some points, that it's not always necessarily easy. And this goes for any point in a conversation. It's not always necessarily easy to articulate the exact meaning that you wish to express. That's why it's good to, conversate, talk, and explore ideas, think to yourself deeply, all of that. But anyways, I always find it interesting how two viewers can have polar opposite views, polar opposite interpretations of what I'm saying. On a particular video, there was a Kate Bush video recently, and one person said, "Oh, I loved your prologue. That was fantastic." And the other person said, "You said a bunch of nothing. I hate you." They didn't say it like that, and I never take comments to heart, but it's just interesting because I did see them both within the span of a few minutes just today. All right, anyways, we're getting to Aurora, gentle earthquake right away. That's sort of like an oxymoron, a gentle earthquake. There's that. Obviously, that's a conflicting term, a gentle earthquake, but looking at it in a more symbolic manner, I'm sure is what we're going to be getting at. But it's an interesting dichotomy to start this track off. Let's get to it. This is live on KEXP. Let's have a listen, and we'll talk about it. All right, let's go. I don't know what that was. All right. Let me just dance in on this performance.
How cold a tear can feel on warm skin, so delicate.
How cold a tear can feel on warm skin. So right away, that concept, those polar opposites in the first lyric.
Here I throw myself in the ocean, I lift myself and run. Like a gentle earthquake, it intensifies. It's like my lungs are breathing fire. And if the fire dies, my body will be the truth, and the light will guide her. Light will guide her. The fascinating way you change your colors, the ugly and the flawless beauty of us, the combination of purple and pink, the only traces of our love blossoming. And I'm not home in a place where love has been broken. I lift myself and run. Like a gentle earthquake, it intensifies. It's like my lungs are breathing fire. And if the fire dies, my body will be the truth, and the light will guide her. Twisted body parts moving synchronized, watching lightning strike in my lover's eyes. All the flowers grow to a luscious view, all connecting love becomes a unity. Can be a
instrumental. It's so like almost tribal. It's celebratory. It's freeing. It's liberating. Like the way just, and then she's dancing around like that. It all comes together. What a track. What a track.
Discover new music at
Fantastic, as always. A lot to think about there. From, what I get from it, gentle earthquake, as in leaving behind not necessarily toxic ideas or toxic states of being, but leaving behind something, exploring something new, becoming galvanized and resolved to chase after something better and leave a certain area of your mind behind. And it's a gentle earthquake when you go. That thought, that time, that place, that thing, maybe even that person will crumble and fall into the sea as you continue on to greener pastures. Gentle earthquake, because she does say, like, I left myself. So the phoenix rising, a lot of those polar opposites appear in the lyrics as well. She has that in the first couple of bars. Actually, she talks about how cold can a tear feel on your warm skin, and then bringing that contrasting idea as well in the next line, peaceful and violently, like peaceful and violent. They're sort of exclusive of each other. But I love the sound of that track. It's kind of has that folk element, folk pop aesthetic. I don't know what you call it, but I like it. And as always, the performance style, everything that she exhibits, gives into the track, is just 100% there. Just pure performance. Good stuff. Beautiful track. Gentle earthquake. You guys let me know your thoughts down below. But yeah, I like that. And I like that term. I like that phrase. I like the way she flipped that idea. And as always, it's a concept that I would like to go read the lyrics. And I could listen to it definitely a few more times to wrap my head around it. But thank you for the suggestion, and we will see you very soon. Take care, my friends. Peace.